In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay card not showing. First, make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch is updated to the latest iOS or Watch OS version, as outdated software can cause cards to disappear from wallet. Next, restart your device to refresh system processes, then open the wallet app and check if the card appears. If it still doesn't show, remove and re-add the card to Apple Pay, ensuring all card information and billing details are entered correctly. Also, check your bank or card app for any alerts, holds, or restrictions that might prevent the card from appearing in Apple Pay. If the problem persists, contact your card issuer to verify that your card is enabled for Apple Pay. By following these steps usually resolves the issue and ensures your card is visible and ready for use in Apple Pay.